Hey, let me show you my favorite watch faces that you can get completely for free on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. And this is actually the first one with this LED theme and also short information about the current date and the steps. The next one I've got selected in this HUAWEI Health application and it will be at the bottom, so it's definitely the greedy. There we go. So now we can actually find a lot of different widgets. So first of all, we can find the battery in the right bottom corner. We can find steps counter in the left upper corner. We can also get shortcut to perform the phone call by clicking here. We've got the blood saturation, the heart rate, date, and the temperature outside, and also the different clock. But we actually can tap on it and change the time zone, for example. And if you try to customize it, for sure can do this and take a look. You can for sure change the background, so you can get it white or black. You can also change the color if you want, but you can actually customize every widget. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 different widgets. That's really great. A lot of extensions that we can actually change. And the last one will be the activity rings. There we go. So now it actually shows me all of this. Let me just quickly accept this one. There we go. Next, start anyway. There we go. So now we get our activity rings with other 4 widgets. And you can also customize them by clicking here, and you can change any of this widget. So yeah, this is it for this video. You can tell me in the comments about your favorite watch faces. And if you are looking for watch faces, just go into your watch and move here to the watch faces, and now we can store any watch faces. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.